Hi there, this is J3. Welcome to the third part of the Jungle blogging VS Code. Okay, let's get it on. How can I make my HTML page more attractive? Okay, the answer is by using template here. By using Bootstrap, Tailwind, CSS, template here, template design, HTML design. Let's answer the three questions. These three questions, why is Drive so important in HTML? How can I improve my website design? And how to use Bootstrap to help us out? Let's get it on. The first thing is to go to this blog and make it thoroughly. And you see these result here. Let me show you in my browser. Here is in my local host, and here is the code running fine. Let's get it on. Fine. Let's return to the blog, the page. Okay, and this is the part 3, returning to the part 3 of the blog. And let's get the first step is to go to the base HTML at the blog template. Let's see template blog, and let's create a new file and let's save it base HTML. Okay, let's view this piece of code. Let's copy this right here and let's paste it right in this base HTML. Let's save it. Okay, let's save it and hit save. Fine, and let's get it on. Here is the part in this two HTML that is repeating. Let me mark it for you right here. This part is not repeating. Okay, and the part that is not repeating, I will make a template, a placeholder in this part of the base HTML, base content, block content, sorry. This is the placeholder. Okay, let's get it on. And now let's go modify the home HTML to, okay. And let me show you what you need to do right here. You have to get rid of this part of this code, okay? Now get rid of this too. And now let's hit Shift Tab. Fine. And now paste this piece of code. We are extending the blog base HTML parent right here. And the other thing you need to do is to, okay, to make it in the block content and in the block content right here. Let's copy this, let's paste it here, and let's indent this part of the code, not this, but let me see, sorry, but this one. Okay, this part of the code. Let's save it, and here is all you have to do here in this home HTML page. Fine, everything is fine. Let's continue our post. Now this is extending to the base HTML, and this is the child, and this is the parent of the template. This is the power of the Jungle template. And you see this will be injected right here. Now let's modify the about page 2. this part. Let's see the about page. Let me show you. Here's the about page. Let's get rid of this part of the code right here and this part too. Let's see. Okay, let's shift tab here. Fine, let's delete this part too, and let's copy these two lines. Two line here. Okay, let's see. And let's copy this and let's paste it right here. All right, save it and let's see if everything is fine. Yes, I think so. The code is running, nothing wrong. Let's see if everything is working. Oops, there is an error here. Template does not exist. Let's see. Okay. Oh my God. This name is, have a space here. Let's save it and let's run it again. Save it. And there we have it. Now let's go to the about page and see if everything, another error, template syntax. Okay, what is it? Oh, I think I have delete this curly bracelet. Let's save it. And there you have it. Everything is fine. Let's continue our tutorial. Let's return to the page on the step 4 already did. Now the step 5, the powerful bootstrap. Okay, let's go to the starter template. Let me show you the starter template. This is the bootstrap 5.1. Okay, and you have to go to the page. Let me show you. This is everything you need to do. The is to find in this quick starter the part of, let me see, let's see, all right, starter template right here. Okay, this is where I have to put this snippet code right here to bootstrap working in my page. I will do it in the base HTML, and in the end of the body you have to put this script for bootstrap popper, bundle with popper. Okay, let's copy this piece of code and let's go to the base and let's go to the header and let's paste it right here. Fine, let's make a space here, let's save it, and let's go to get another snippet code. Let's copy this part. Fine, and let's go to the right end of the body. Let me see. Yes, in the end of the body. Okay, right here I will paste the code for the GS code. Let me see if we have something more. Let me see. Yes, I need something more. I will need, let me see, Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's see the part of the Tailwind. This is the JavaScript style sheet. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, the script. Oh, I think is right here. Script Tailwind. Let's copy this piece of code. Control C, and let's paste it right in the end of this part of the bootstrap right here. Save it, make a space here, save it again. Okay, Tailwind is up and running in my base HTML. Right now, the step 6. Let's run. The code is already running. Let's see if everything is working. And there you have it. Everything is fine, but sorry, I think I need something more. Let me show you where is my part, the part that I have missing. Right? Let me see. Let me see the code in my blog. Okay. Oh, I already got it. Div. Let's see. Let me show you right here the div container. Let's copy this in the body. Let's go to there, right here in the body, and let's make a div here. Let's make a tab right here, and let's close the div tag. Let me type div, and let's choose the second one. Let's save it, and let's hit enter, and there you have it. You have one more space here, and there you have it. Bootstrap is running, and let's see if it's running in the about page too. Fine. Let's see the tablet. Fine. Everything's working fine. Bootstrap is running. Let's go to the 6th step. Okay, 6th step already did it, but it's the seventh steps is to embellish our website. Go to the navigation bar at the base HTML right at the beginning of the body. And let's copy this piece of code. Control C, fine. Let's go straight to the code at the base HTML. Okay, and let's see where I have to put it in the base HTML. Put it this code at the right at the beginning. Okay, right at the beginning. Right at the beginning of the body, right here. Let's paste it. This is the navbar. Navbar. Okay, let's correct indentation right here. Okay, you have to select everything. Hit Shift Tab, and now I think everything is fine. Now let's save it. Control C, Control. Let's save it. You see, okay, the indentation right here. Let's save it now, and let's run the code and see if everything is fine. Let's run the code. Let's go to there, and there you have it. We have an bar right here. Fine, just fine. Search, home, about, disable login, register. Everything's fine. Now step, okay, step 8 already did it. Now step 9, two other snippet. Let's go to the home HTML. Let's copy this snippet code right here. Fine. Control C. Let's go to the code. Let's see. Home HTML. Okay, let's go to the code. Home HTML, and let's replace this piece of code right here. Control V. Okay, and now hit save. Control S, and let's run the code. This is the post, the data, the title, and the content. Let's see if everything is fine. Let's run it, and there you have it. the blog is now in the right article. Okay, now the second snippet code. Let's copy this, and this will be the base home. Okay, and let's replace this piece of code. Control S. Let's see the indentation. Let's see. Okay, let me see if everything is fine. All right, and there we have it. Everything is fine. We have our sidebar right here, and in the tablet, everything is fine too. And I think this is all for this episode. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend, viewers. Subscribe, especially to you. I hope you have a great day. Fine, everything's fine. Take care. Bye.